Optimizing hydraulic system performance starts with the right hose solutions. Custom hoses ensure precise fit and functionality, reducing leaks and enhancing efficiency. Use hose crimping machines for strong, secure connections that withstand high pressure. Hose cutting machines deliver clean, accurate cuts, preventing damage and ensuring longevity. Hose peeling machines prepare the hoses perfectly for crimping, ensuring maximum durability. Together, these machines ensure your hydraulic system runs smoothly and reliably. Our company excels in custom hose solutions, offering top-notch machines to meet your needs. Need help? Contact us today.